Hi. Hello. My name's Ali, and this is Kwai. Kwai, 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 Kwai. My name's Ali. I don't know what Kwai's name is, but we're here to talk about living in Thailand. That's what. Now, isn't that a picture? What a gorgeous family. Hello. See ya. Oh, they're sweet. They're really nice. Yeah, come and have a sniff. Come on, come and have a sniff. They've run away beyond the camera now, and they've all turned around, and they've got their noses in the air, having a good sniff. Hello, Sawadee Cup. One need tam video cup. Look nong na lak mak. Để đuôi dài, ai theo lại cấp? Wow. Wow, about 30 years plus. Wow, that's a very old buffalo. So today's video is going to be out in this area, Mae Takrai. It's on the east side of Chiang Mai. It's beyond the first mountain range on the side of the valley of Chiang Mai. I often come here and sit listening to the nature around. Here you can hear the leaves dropping, but you get the birds on the water. You get the people in the forest hacking at the trees sometimes. There's a guy dragging long bamboo stems from the forest. Okay, I've enjoyed my coffee, and I'm going to take a walk off into the forest and see what we can find today. See you again later. See you. Bye bye. Whoa. Wow. Wow, I just turned the camera off and there was a flutter against my arm, and then another flying by, and then another. 3 bats. And they were just using canopy of a shrub weed canopy back there. Beautiful looking things. Shame we didn't capture them on video. Interestingly enough, I noticed this morning Captain Slash, a well-known UK motorcycle rider that comes to Thailand every year. He comes in November and goes back in April, and he spends the entire stay in Thailand riding. And today I saw his post on a forum saying he was going to go and visit the cave that I was at last week, Erawan Cave. So he said he was going there with a torch. A bit of Thai plumbing in the middle of the forest here. Listen to the bamboo and the leaves, the wind through the bamboo. Nice little stream going up here. These little birds are calling from left to right across this little stream valley, just keeping in touch with each other. Hello, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. I feel like Ed Stafford now, last man out alive. The gap bang ครับ แต่วันนี้ออกไปเที่ยวเดินสนุกที่นู่นครับ
ไปเที่ยวในป่า
ใช่สนุกมากใช่
ไปหาปลามา
โอ้จับปลาใช่ไหม
ค่ะ
มีปลาอะไรครับ
ปลาตัวเล็กๆตัวไม่ใหญ่
อ๋อโอเคครับขอบคุณมากครับโชคดีครับขอบคุณมากครับบายบาย See you again There's a nice breeze across the water, it's lovely. The sun's in and out of the clouds. Today there's quite a few clouds around. Earlier on this morning it looked as if it's going to rain. Had an interesting walk, followed the path that's quite easy to follow. There's more to see. The lady I talked to on her bike that collected some fish, she got them from another little dam that's further up the path. Okay, so we're at Mae Takrai temple, Wat Mae Takrai, and this is Longpool Tuat. The image of the head is the same. This is in the foreground the sitting position, and in the background standing. I'll show you a video of an aerial view that I took a couple of years ago of the standing image, and now they're renovating that and glorifying the colours a little bit. This is out of town at Mae On, and I'm smelling the coffee today. This is a beautiful little spot, the viewpoint looking over the Mae On Valley. that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment below. Ask me a question. Give me some feedback. If you've not subscribed already, please do. Till next time. This is an expat out of town smelling the coffee. See ya. Bye.